Hello friends. Bakorate welcomes all in making homemade rich Christmas plum cake. With me, Chef Isabella. Let's begin. Friends, please note down the ingredients required initially. Take all the dry fruits and cut them finely. Now add rum to the cut dry fruits and let it soak for a minimum of 7 days. Keep it undisturbed at room temperature. Heat a pan, put sugar 190 grams and 190 milliliters of water. Blend well, and let the sugar dissolve. Put the flame to medium, and let the sugar alter its color. The syrup, to be dim brown in color. Put off the flame, when it comes to dim brown color. Include 2 tablespoons water, so that it does not turn hard. Pour in a bowl, and keep it aside. Friends, please note down the ingredients required to make the batter. In a mixing bowl, blend butter using a hand blender. Blend it for 3 minutes. If using whisk, blend it for 10 to 12 minutes. Now first add sugar, and then eggs, to the whisked butter, and blend it well. When the sugar, egg and butter mixture looks combined, add 50% all-purpose flour. Blend it gently. Add sugar syrup, in parts. Blend it gently. Add balance 50% flour, mix it gently. Do not overmix. Now add the rum-soaked fruits and nuts in 2 parts. Mix it well. Friends, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Finally add baking powder, baking soda, lemon zest, cinnamon and nutmeg powder. Blend it well. Grease a round mold with butter or oil. Now pour the batter in it. Garnish it with few cashews and fruits. Friends, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Now place it in preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake for 40 minutes. If it is not done in the given time, keep it for some more time. When done, insert a toothpick in the center of the cake to check if it is fully baked. Keep it in a cooling rack and allow it to cool down. Slice the homemade rich Christmas plum cake and serve. The cake remains good for weeks at room temperature and gets better in taste day after day. Thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed making homemade rich Christmas plum cake. Friends, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We'll be back soon with another homemade mouth-watering recipe.